Hi, Mark Harris here. I've got the new eXp 7000 and I'm going to walk you through how to do a mineral scan. If you've seen some of the other eXp 7000 videos, you'll notice that we don't have the sensor extenders on. For mineral scan mode, you don't use the extended sensors. You only use the single super sensor that's in the middle of the sensor array here. So we're going to show you how to do the mineral scan. We're here in Germany, we're set up at the edge of a field, and this is mainly to show you how to do the mineral scan. I'm pretty confident we're not going to find any natural gold here. You never know, but this is where we're going to do the mineral scan. So the first step is you've got the single sensor hooked up. The sensor extenders are removed. We've got the sensor connected to the controller. We have our extension rod here, and I'm going to select, we've got the controller powered on. I'm going to go over and select mineral scan, which is here. I press the mineral scan button. You've got the ability to choose automatic or manual. In this case, we're going to do automatic. You can see the illustration here shows you that it's the single sensor. This is your start button, and we've got a distance here of about 75 feet. So I'm going to, for me, that's a really good distance scan length for mineral scan, because it's not so long that your control scan that you do next is laborious. So because you always want to do two scans. One scan, your control scan, you check them. If they look the same, then you're okay. If they don't, then you need to do the scan again. That's always an important thing to remember. So we're ready. I see my direction. I line it up with my extension rod to make sure that I'm always going in the correct direction towards the cone. And I press the play button and we're going. So here we are. Okay, we've completed the mineral scan. I'm looking at it and I don't see any hits in the hit that would tell me that there is natural gold here. We didn't expect there to be natural gold here, so that's not new. But I see that it looks like it's a pretty good scan. What I'm going to do now is go back to the beginning and do the same scan again, compare those results to make sure that we've got the same signature along this line in both scans. Okay, I've completed the scan. I want to show you the next step in the process. This is your rough data. You hit save, and now also know, okay, how long was your scan? You can use the single arrow to point single feet, or you can use the double to go up in 10-foot increments. So we're 75 feet. So there we have 75 feet, and now it processes the image, and then here is our the mineral scan results that we've got. So then we take those and we compare them to our other mineral scan, and when we have two mineral scans that look the same, then we know we've got a good result. And from that, we look for the hits in the hit to see if we've got any natural gold.